If you have a television that you watch or the internet, you've heard of the Camp Lejeune litigation. At this point, the status of the litigation is the litigation itself is somewhat in its infancy. Claims have been filed through the Department of Navy. We at TorHoerman Law have filed thousands of claims and continue to do so. Those claims may eventually make its way into the federal court system in North Carolina, if need be. Now, this is what I think you need to know. Our Senate, by 85-15, which is an incredible amount of bipartisanship, passed a law that those that were contaminated by the water at Camp Lejeune should be compensated for certain years. There's going to be, if not already, some pressure to try to get those cases resolved. The issue is going to be is what evidence is needed to get those cases resolved and what is the proper compensation. We will not settle these cases unless the compensation is proper. The government will not settle these cases unless the information is proper. So we'll make sure to get the right number, but we need you, whether we represent you in the future or we represent you now, we need you to help us get the proper information. We're going to work on it. We're going to order medical records. We're going to get you proof of residency. But if you have that information, we're also going to reach out and ask you that, right? It'll help us get your case in line quicker. So we have filed one of our cases in North Carolina. There's maybe a few hundred that have been filed nationally in North Carolina. There's 4 judges in the federal court in North Carolina that have these cases. They are going to create a system to move those cases through. The judges there have expressed an interest in understanding why there's not going to be resolution of the cases. But this is a large amount of people that were injured. Hundreds of thousands of folks. The process is going to take some time. And so we need patience, but understand that that process is not necessarily in its infancy. It's started. And we're going to continue to put the pressure on them, on the government, to get resolution as quickly as possible, but it's going to take some time. We need your patience. We need your information. We need your help. And we need to continue to communicate. This case is very important to me personally. It's very important to the folks at TorHoerman Law. If you need more information and you're a current client, please reach out. We're happy to give it to you. If you are looking for a lawyer and want some information about which lawyer to choose, please also reach out. We're happy to talk to you. We'll give you an honest assessment of your case. We'll let you know who we really are, and you can make the decision, the important decision of whether to hire us as your lawyer or not. Thank you very much.